Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your fanfiction.net account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so important note before we start. So fanfiction basically does not allow full account deletion, but you can disable it so it disappears from public view. So basically what we want to do is come over to fanfiction.net and log into your account. And then basically, once you're logged in, tap on account and then find settings. And then scroll through the settings page and look for disable account or account disable. Tap it, then confirm the action when asked. Now, there is another way to do this, so we can contact customer support. So the best way to contact them is by, they make it very difficult finding their contact details on their main page, but that's all right. I've got a website that can find this information. So basically this site is called pissconsumer.com. So head on over to pissconsumer.com and then hit enter. Then once we're here, want to go in and click on search and then search for fan fiction like so. And here it is here. So click into it, scroll down, click onto contacts. There might be an ad, just close the ad, scroll down again. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click on customer service. So this is where all their fan fiction emails. So we've got legal and customer service. Now click on the customer service. Then from here, you want to put in your name that you are logged in or signed up with at fanfiction. And then select support or security. So do support. Reason of your email, put in account deletion, and then message, explain your problem. Just say basically, I would like to delete or disable my fanfiction.net account. Can you please help me? Yada yada yada. And then you can put in your phone number if you like, your contact ID, your first name, last name, or just put in your first name, and then go ahead and click on I've read, and then click proceed. And then this email is going to be sent to fanfiction, and then from there give them 24 to 48 hours to reply back to you to help disabling or deleting your fanfiction.net account.